Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. In this video, we will see TCS hiring 2024 all ABCD that you need to know before going to take this examination. Okay, so let's walk through all information that you need to know. Okay, so so the first hiring that is TCS going to hire is TCS Smart hiring that is related to only BCA, BSc, IT persons. Okay, date is 13th Jan 2024, 3:30 p.m. to 4:20 p.m. Only 50 minutes out there. Excluded reporting time. I'm not telling you what kind of, on what time you should be there. Okay, that is definitely written in your mail. So check out the mails. Okay, whatever you are getting. No coding questions out there. Okay, so chill. Abhi maza aega na bidu. But it's not going to happen for the BTech guys. So be ready for that. Okay, and definitely coding questions are really moderate level. Even sometimes it may be higher than that level. So ready for that. But before that, TCS NQT just focus on smart hiring. So what is the exam direction? So if there are three kind of sections: aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability. There are total 15, 15, 15. All sections have 15 questions. So total number of questions will be 45, and the total time that you have for to solve this, to attempt all the questions, that is 50 minutes. Okay. The very good thing about this examination is that there is no negative marking, so that you can attempt all question, no worries at all. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt, just take time and attempt that question. Okay, this is very good thing. Before going ahead for TCS NQT, I just want to let you know guys that we have made videos on different companies including TCS, Accenture, Infosys, Wipro. Okay, information videos and coding questions and repeated question that is already asked in TCS, okay, in Accenture and Cognizant. So just make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel if you are an aspirant for these companies. Okay, so let's go ahead. So TCS NQT hiring 2024, date 15th Jan. Timing is not fixed as it is happening in the batches. Okay, so you will get the mail, or I hope that you already got the mail. So check the mail, and in that what is the timing? Just let us know in the comment box. Okay, mails are released in batches only. Must check your emails. Okay, so section one, there are two sections in a TCS NQT exam. Okay, section A, which is foundation exam. Okay, in this there are three sections: numerical ability, reasoning, and verbal ability. Numeric ability and verbal ability have 20 questions each, and but reasoning section will be having 25 questions. Okay, and total time you will get 25 minutes in each section. Okay, numeric ability, reasoning, verbal ability, and total time you will get 75 minutes only. Okay, this is the basic thing, basic foundation section. So if you have basic knowledge of reasoning and numeric ability, even you have basic 10th level maths here comes. Okay, and basic level, if you have done basic numeric ability, reasoning, you have gone through the topics, then definitely you can do easily these questions. Okay, there is no worries. Okay, but if we talk about the advanced level, section 2, section B, advanced, then there are advanced quantitative, advanced reasoning, and advanced coding. Okay, in this there are total number of questions will be 22, in which 10 questions from advanced quantitative, 10 from reasoning, and 2 from advanced coding. Okay, total number of questions will be 22, and 20 minutes for advanced quantitative, advanced reasoning for will will have the time for 15 minutes, and for two advanced coding questions will be the time for the advanced coding will be 55 minutes only. Okay, so if we talk about this section, 90 minutes for this section, and previous section 75, that means total section you have 165 minutes for both. Okay, so total time you have 165 minutes for both section to cover. Okay, so this is the kind of gone through walk through. This is the kind of sections that you need to tackle while doing the exam. Okay, make sure to attempt all question because there is no negative marking. We will check out some tips and tricks also, so that in next PPT as well. Okay, so let's go. Must cover topic in aptitude. If you are preparing for this exam, I will say then definitely look out on these, on the questions on the basis of these topics: percentage, simplification, profit and loss, time and work, simple and compound interest, data interpretation, number and statistic, and average. Definitely. Okay, these are the topics that you must at least do 3 to 5 questions from each topic. Okay, so that you will have basic understanding to solve these questions. In the same for reasoning: blood and relation, figure and factual, seating arrangement, number series, syllogism, analogy, symbol and notation. These kind of topic are the questions are from these kind of topics. Are there are so many questions from there? Okay, from these topics. So make sure to attempt all the questions. And um, okay, so if we talk about coding, okay, basics of any programming language: C, C++, Java, Python, Perl. Okay, these only these five are allowed in that exam. I think maybe they have extended to any other language, then definitely they will mention in the uh, examination paper. Okay, basic core of any programming language. Oops, definitely it is not coming in C, C++, Java, and Python. Recursion, array, linked list, stack, queue, searching, sorting, hashing, collections in Java, trees, graphs, BST, and lot of more things. Because advanced coding have two question. In that two question, definitely there's one question is from, I mean, basic things, basic topic will be there. But for second question, it may from collection, trees, graphs, BST. Okay, so you have to understand in depth every topic. Okay, tips and info: no negative marking, so attempt all question. Do not worry about the negative thinking, like you will do negative answers or wrong answer. Then don't worry about that, because there is no negative marking. So attempt all question. Section switching is not allowed, so make sure to go to next section. Okay, because you cannot switch the sections. So make sure to go to next section only when you are confirmed about the previous questions. You can switch the questions in that particular section only, but section switching is not available. Okay, for coding, first try to read all the test cases for that. Okay, read all question, try to pass all test cases if possible. If not able to do, then try to figure out how you can do. Okay, now you will think that what is the basic logic, and okay, simple think, build logic, then code. Okay, what happened, there are many kind of test cases over there. Okay, so try to do bit by bit, line by line, and simple think by down to down or down to top approach. Take any of them. Okay, I will say that down to top. Okay, simply think what kind of function you can write there. Okay, on the basis of test cases, simply try to break down your questions in part, and then write the code in any comfortable programming language that you know. Cutoff can be vary, but always try to finish above 85% criteria. It is not fixed yet. Okay, TCS is not providing that what kind of criteria, on what kind of criteria they will take the students. Okay, but mostly it is always we have seen that it is from above more than 75% or 60%, but better to finish above 85% criteria. Okay, so if you got selected in this exam, okay, NQT or smart hiring, and there are some student, definitely going to some student who will finish more than 90%, then definitely they will be having chance to get digital as well from this exam. So if you guys, whoever watching this video, please let us know after this exam that whoever shortlisted for the interview, comment down your names. So best of luck, guys. I hope this much information is critical and important for you. That's why we have made this video, and we already made videos on different topics or different coding questions that is already asked in TCS before. I hope you liked our video. So thank you for watching this video, and best of luck, and subscribe our YouTube channel.